This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So yesterday we have seen how to do cash desk accounting with the cash journal. Okay. So basically under the cash journal, we can maintain the master data for cash desk, and under the cash desk, which is like a branch, we can have the various counters, and each of the counter will be used for posting the incoming payments. Okay. That's how you can understand. Now we have seen so far how to do the payment received through the cash and also payments received through what you call the check payment. Okay. Now sometimes you may also receive the payment through credit card. Okay. So in that case, we have to take the option of entering incoming payment through credit card. Now everything remaining same, we have to enter the card number depending on the card provider. For example, it could be like the American Express or Diners card. So according to that, number will be available. That number we have to ensure because all these cards numbers are basically having internal logic. Okay, so that is to be maintained, and then based on that you can enter the incoming payment, but you have to maintain the cash desk clearing account for the credit card. The whatever configuration you have done for the cash payment, check payment, same way we'll also do for the credit card also. So now we will go to the cross application components, and then here payment cards. You can see here there's a payment card. So in IMG we have selected the cross application component, and there we have selected the payment card as the option. Just one second. Yeah, sorry. Now let's go to payment cards. Basic settings. Assign the checking rule. Okay, a checking rule. This checking rule is in the form of a module program. Okay. For example, we can say 0001 is the American Express checking rule. Okay. Visa 0002 Visa checking rule, Mastercard checking rule, Diners Club checking rule. So you can see there is a module program. Okay. So this module program will contain the logic. When you enter the number, it will check automatically whether this is a valid number or not. Okay, so that is basically the module program. This module program, if required for other cards, also can be created by the ABAPer. Okay, so here let us say 0004 is the Diners Club, or 0002 is the checking rule for the Visa checking rule or Mastercard. Now maintain the payment card type. Card type means 0002 we say Visa card, 0004 is the Diners Club card, and then each one is assigned with a checking rule. Okay, so 0004 is a Diners Club card, and 0004 is the checking rule. This is the Visa card. Then we have got assigned payment card category to payment card type. Select it. Payment type is basically like a 0001 or 0002 or 0004. Okay, that is basically 0001 is not defined, 0002 is a Visa card, Diners card, assigned to credit card, or it's assigned to as a credit card. Okay, so actually if you see new entry, you got credit card as the thing. Actually debit card and credit card, probably they are hinting that way. So here's a credit card here. Maintain the payment card category. So payment card category is a procurement card or a credit card. Okay, so here we are using the category 01 for the credit card. Maintain the card blocks. Okay, like card is lost or something, we can enter. Of course, this functionality we don't require here now, but for the banking purpose, it may be required. So these are the initial, things what we have to maintain. Okay. Now we will see how to process it. Now we can take some valid card numbers from the site, dummy virtual card numbers, dummy or virtual Diners Club cards. because all these cards supposed to start with some number like 51, some 52, like that. Okay. Now American Express, Diners Club 30, Visa is starting. Anything starting with 4, I think is a Visa card. Okay. So let us say 4222, something like this is the card number. Copy. We'll type. If error comes, we'll see how to handle it. So this is a particular card number, you can say. Now moving forward, we'll go to now incoming payment entry and cash desk. Okay. So the same logic will apply later when you're doing the lot payment. Okay. So now we'll go to financial accounting new, select the contract accounts receivable and payable, and then select the business transactions, and then select the payments. Under payments, processing incoming and outgoing payments. Select it. Cash desk, cash journal. Now we have seen yesterday cash journal, how it is working. We can deactivate for time being, because every time we go to the cash journal, we have to activate cash journal, cash desk opening and then closing. We can avoid it for time being. We have seen the functionality. So what I will do, I will deactivate the cash journal. Directly will post to the cash desk. So here we will say active removed and then save it. Now define the cash desk clearing account. Okay, here you can see cash desk clearing account. So like 555, we have maintained two accounts, 113301 for the cash desk cash amount and 113299 for the check payment. Okay, so we will create one new account for the card payment. Okay, for the card payment. So go to FS00, FSP0. Okay, first we'll go to FSP0. This is a GL account already existing in the chart of account. Let's say 113299 302 does not exist, so we will create with the reference INT and then save it. But then we have to change it, so we'll say this is cash desk credit card, or you can simply say credit card. So cash desk credit card clearing account, and then save it. Now we have to maintain this GL account at the company code level. So go to FS00 and then we want to maintain it for the company code. Select the GL account, create with the reference. We will use this as the reference for company code 55 and then save it. It's a balance sheet account. Come back. Now we will copy this particular line, and then after copying, or we'll select this particular line for the check payment, copy, and then we'll maintain it as 302 for the check payment. Here we will receive it as card payment. Okay. Select it and then save it. So we have assigned the particular GL account 1,13,302 to the credit card, and the card payment we have assigned, and then save it. Now after this, define document type for payment category. Okay, so you have used CH different documents. We can use also one more document type for the card payment. So go to basic functions, postings and documents, document, maintain document assignments, document types, define document types. So here 52 is there. We will copy and make this as credit card, cash desk, and number range is 51, enter, 52. So 53, we'll make it as 53. Copy all and then save it. So 53 is our document type, which we will assign. So define the document type for the payment category. Okay. So we will select CH and then single copy. We'll make it as payment category as credit card, card payment, CP, card payment, and document type is 53, what we have defined, and then save it. Come back. Short account assignment for transfer posting to cash desk. Anyway, now the cash journal we are removed, so this assignment is not required. Accounts for posting deposits and withdrawals not required. Maintain currency. Now go to maintain the default values for the credit card lot. Okay, select here. This is a document type for the lot payment. Okay, so for lot payment, document type is different, and for individual posting in the cash desk is also different. Okay, so that we can see it later when you're doing the lot payment. Now define the default values for the payment order lots. It will come later. Define bank clearing account for the payment lots. Okay, select it. So here we have got 113299, 113301. This we have assigned to valid for check. Okay, so we will select this particular line, that is 113301, and then we will copy. After copying, we'll make this is going to be 02, and we are going to activate it for valid for card payment. Okay, select it, valid for card payment, continue, and then save it. So you assigned a cash desk clearing account for the credit card payment as 113302. Okay, you have assigned it, activated valid for the credit card payment. Okay, and then save it. Come back. Clarification account, clearing account, check deposit, all this is not required. Okay, so we have done these settings. We'll see how it will work. Now, if anything is required, we'll see subsequently. Now, let us create one document and post it for the receivable, and then we clear the amount by the incoming payment through credit card. Okay, so let me go to CAA2 and then find out the contract account based on the company code group. Our company code group is 555. So 5101 226. We can use this particular GL, this particular contract account 5101. So go to FPE1, post a document. Let's say we are posting on 01/12/2019. Document type is 50. Currency INR. Let's say key 51. Now clearing reason is there, and then BP item will take it as 50 and then create the entry. So contract account 5101. Main transaction is 5000. Sub transaction 5001. Amount is 5000 rupees. And then post. So now a open item is posted in FICA with the document 90011. So 90011. 11 is the figure document. Now we will go to cash desk and try to make the payment entry to the credit card. Okay, so go to FPCD. Now I can go directly to cash desk because I deactivated the cash channel. Go to FPCD. Our company code here is 555. Document date, let's say I'm clearing payment today, 555. And value date, I'll put it as 08/12/2019. And the reconciliation key will give it as key 51, currency INR, and then our contract account is 5101. Select the card payment, select the credit card payment. Now here you can see it is coming as 113302. Okay. Now amount, we will say our amount is 5,000 rupees. We are clearing. Card type, okay, card number 47. We'll try with 47 card type. It is Visa card or Diners card. So let's start with the Visa card. This number, what we noted is 422. I forgot actually which number range you're using for what. So let us try this. So incoming payment, card number is this, and valid from 01 year, that is 18, valid up to 05/08/22. Enter. So it is accepting it. Usage, taxpayer, all this information is additional information. So now payment is 5,000 rupees. Select the items. So enter a valid cash desk clearing account. So cash desk clearing account is showing here 113100, but actually it should have been 113102. So the account is not determined correctly. So we have to set up the account once again, check it up. So 113302, actually 113302. So we'll enter here 113302. So it is not taking. So we will check the cash desk clearing account for the credit card. Somewhere some assignment is not done completely. So we will check once again the settings. So define the bank clearing account, define clarification account, and one more setting is done here. Yeah, in the lot payment. Okay. Incoming outgoing payment creation, define accounts for payment program, payment cards. Define accounts for payment card institute. Card type. Okay, you have to assign the card type and the clearing accounting document. Card accounting, clearing accounting document. (113100) card account, clearing account. Let us find out this GL account. Copy. Go to FSP0. Let us find out what is the GL account. Actually here what happens is cash desk clearing account is for our house bank. Okay. But card account is basically the account to which you are posting the value, which has to be cleared by the issuing bank of the credit card. Suppose I'm issuing a credit card to HDFC for the payment. So the payment has to be collected from the HDFC, okay, issuing card, the issuing bank, okay. So that is the account what you have to maintain here. It is already available. So 11310, we can use it. So we can select this particular line already available. The clearing account is already maintained here, 113182. 113182. This is actually credit card clearing account, FS00. So GL account does not exist. Actually, that what it means, the credit card clearing account is maintained here as one-time definition for each card type. Okay, so it is not company code specific. It is a chart of account. Okay, so we don't have to define again a new credit card account. Existing account you have to use, because otherwise you have to replace this existing data with the account what you have created. So that way also you can do it. So let us try that. So here we'll refresh with our GL account 11303. 11303 is not there. So let us find out what is the GL account you have defined. So go to define default values. Define the cash desk clearing account. So for the credit card, we have maintained 113302. Okay. So we can use this also. That means that it's a client level definition. Okay. So we cannot maintain for each card type one clearing account you have to maintain. Okay. So let's go to the define accounts and then define accounts. So we'll replace with this particular GL account and then save it. Okay. So basically this account is a card account. This is a clearing account and then save it. Now we will see, we'll be able to post. So go to again FPCD, company code is 55508, reconciliation key 51, account here is 5101, credit card payment. So now the cash desk clearing account is coming correctly. Okay, that means cash desk clearing account is our bank account. Okay, but the credit card holding company account is what we have assigned to this. Okay, so this amount is 5,000 and card type is 0002 and then card number is this. Continue and enter the validity 01 918 up to 08 22. Enter. Now select the items. Enter a valid cash desk clearing account. Enter a valid cash desk clearing account. Let us change it to 0004. Card number is not allowed for this. That means our card number is not correct. We have to select it as 0002. Let us select it as 47 cash desk clearing account. No values are found. So once again, you will check it up. So go to the first incoming payment, maintain specification for cash payment, maintain specific for cash desk clearing account. Okay. For 555 CP card payment, you are given 113302. It is for the credit card. And define the document type for the payment category that we have defined here. That is CP 53. Define the short accounts for transfer posting to cash desk. This we don't require because we are not using the cash channel. And accounts maintain. Payment lot. Define the default value for the payment lot for the credit card. Bank clearing for payment lot, credit card. Okay, credit cards. This is AB. And define the bank clearing account. Define the bank clearing account for the credit cards. Payment lot, check lot, credit card lots. These are the default values for the document type. Bank clearing account for the payment lots. So for 555, we have maintained 302 302. This is a line we have activated for the card, value for the card, 11302, clearing account, repayment. (1131,002) FS00. (113191). Okay, does not exist. So probably this is the reason. Copy GL account, create with reference. We say company code is reference is EA, and then save it. FPCD. But it is defaulting to 113100. 113100. One 13100 card accounting. So let us see this GL account. It is posting, let us say post. So 5,000 we are posting, amount is 5,000. But we'll find out what is this GL account which is coming. Post. Enter valid cash as clearing account. So this account is not correct. Go to finance accounting new, contract accounts payable and payable, and then business transactions, payments, processing. Suppose if I use 11310, I'll remove CP, save it, copy, and then make it as 555, and then select card payment. This is going to be my cash trust clearing account 113100 for the card payment. Then go to define default bank clearing accounts for the payment lot. Then this is for valid for check. So our GL account here is 113100, 113100. So let me remove valid for the card, delete, save it, and then copy this particular line to our company code 555 for payment lot, for returns, valid for check, valid for the card, and then save it. This is a bank clearing account 113100, and then go to incoming outgoing payment cards, define the accounts 113100, 113100. So go to FPCD, company code, value date, reconciliation key, account, credit card, card type 0002, payment is posted, but it should have posted with our configuration also. So why it could not post? You'll find out. It is clearing the payment with 113100. Now, actually this account should be integrated in the payment lot also, basically with the card account. So let us go back to, it is posting now, but we have to find out what is this one. This is our clearing account, bank clearing account. So press F1. Clearing account for the payment by the credit card, an account to which you make transfer postings of the receivable to the credit card company when the message is created. Okay, an account to which you make the transfer posting of the receivable to credit card company when the message is created. Okay, so basically this is the credit card clearing account. This is the card account. Go to F1. Payment card, an account that contains receivables to be registered to a credit card company. The settlement run makes a transfer posting of these receivables from this account to corresponding clearing account. An account that contains receivables to be registered to a credit card company. Basically, here what will happen, there's a settlement process. That means initially when we post incoming payment to the credit card, it is posted to receivable account, which is 113100, and from there we transfer the data to the settlement GL account, that is the bank clearing account of the credit card company. Okay, so here we have maintained both as the same, but it can also differ. Okay. So let us say our card account is 113100. The clearing account can be the credit card company clearing account that can be created as a new one. Okay. So this is a new one. This is our GL account. So 11310, we will see what is the characteristics of this. So FSP0 11310 113100. It's a just GL account, bank account. It's a bank account, balance sheet account. So it is our receivable account actually. Just like cash account, it is a bank account for the credit card. This is our bank account. And then we can create a account for the credit card company for the settlement purpose. So I can create a new GL account 11410. Let's select this, copy, and let's say 111400. Create with the reference INT. So bank account. So we'll say bank account inland. So we'll say credit card bank account. That means our receivable will be posted to this, but they will be transferred to the clearing account of the credit card company. Okay. This is a bank account for credit cards. Something like sales account when you post the sales invoice. Okay. 11410. And then we'll maintain it as FS00. We can copy it from 11310 company code, let's say 555, and then save it. So 111400 is our account. Okay. So basically the card account for our bank, you can say like that, is equal to this. Now we have to prepare the card clearing account of the credit card company. So we will copy this, create a new account, go to 11 FSP0 401. We will create with reference 111400 with the chart of accounts INT. This is credit card company clearing account of credit card company. And then save it. Now we'll create FS00, create with reference 1111 and company code 555. So here it is 111411. Now we will go to our, once again, check. Right now it is posting, but we want to find out why it could not post initially. Go to finance accounting, new, accounts receivable, contract accounts receivable, business transactions, payments, processing incoming, cash desk, cash journal, defined cash desk clearing account. So cash desk clearing account. That means this is our account. This is our account which you post, basically our house bank account. It's a house bank account. So naturally for our house bank account, the first account will work actually. 11400, copy. So we'll select 555 for the cash back. This is for check payment, card payment. Select this, delete, and then save it. Now select the cash payment, copy, select the card payment, and then give the GL account, enter, and then save it. Now define document type for payment category. All this is okay. Now go to define default file for payment lot, define bank clearing accounts for payment lot. So here the card payment for 555, valid for the card. Okay, this is the line. This is the line what you got for the card payment. We will delete and then save it. So select once again, this is for the check payment. This is for the payment lot for the general payment amount, cash payment. Copy this and then give 11400. This is for the card account and then continue and then save it. So we've given 11400 as value for the card payment, our cash plus clearing account. And then we will go here and then enter in the payment entry, payment creation process, incoming outgoing payment creation. So here payment cards, define accounts for the payment card institute, yeah. So card accounting clearing account. This is our bank clearing account and this is a card account. So press F1. Payment card account, an account that contains receivables to be registered to credit card company. The settlement run makes a transfer portion of these receivables from the account to the corresponding clearing account. And this is a clearing account, our house bank account. Clearing account for payment by the credit card, an account for which you make transfer posting receivables to credit card company when the message is created. An account to which you make transfer posting receivables to credit card company when the message is settled. So select it, details. This is, let us say, our account, clearing account. Our clearing account is 11400. Now let us see any account balance is there. FPL line. I think yesterday we cleared everything, so it may not be there. So 5101 account balance, all open items. So nothing is there. So we'll make one fresh posting. FP1. component item. So we have posted 70186. Now go to FPCD, company code, and then contact account 5101 credit card payment. Now it is showing correctly, but will it stay there? We'll see. And then amount, card type 0002, card number, enter a valid cash plus clearing account. So we'll change it to 0004, and card number is not allowed. 55. So business transactions, once again payments, processing incoming and outgoing payments, so go to again here. Mm, I think these accounts were switched over. So let me copy this. So let's enter again FPCD, company code, value date, reconciliation. Now credit card payment 11401, amount 5,000, card type. Okay, that means our assignment was wrong. That means this particular account what you assigned here, it is actually our clearing account, our receivable account. The second column is the card company account. That was the only mistake what we made. This interpretation was wrong actually. Okay, so I think you got the point. So what we defined ultimately, the difference is here actually in business transactions. When you go to the payment, okay, payments, incoming and outgoing payment creation, here we are giving payment cards. This definition was not correct. This is actually our clearing account with the bank. This is a clearing account of the credit card holding company. That means we switched over actually. This we maintained here, this we maintained here. That's how. So actually this is our clearing account. This is our bank account. This is a credit card account, credit card company's account. That's where the mistake has happened. So this account we have to assign in our main transaction for the cash plus clearing account for the credit card and also for the payment lot. Okay. So now it is correct. So this is a crucial part actually. Here our interpretation was wrong. That's why it was having the error. Now these numbers are important. Card numbers what are important. That model program is actually checking the syntax actually. Okay. As per the syntax, it is doing the activity. So whenever you enter any number, it is not acceptable. So all the Visa cards are starting with 4. In fact, 4000 also is okay. So anything starting from 4, that digit number is required. Okay, that's the only thing you have to keep in mind. So we are seeing today the card payment, how to do, and then tomorrow we will see how to do a mix of payments. That means partially I'll enter the payment through credit card and partially I'll through cash payment. Here we have to introduce one more accounting, that is basically on account payment. Okay, so on account payment means it will transfer interim on account payment to on account payment and then transfer it to another method. That means suppose the out of 10,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees I'm entering as cash payment. Balance I will enter 6,000 as card payment. So here in between it will use on account payment to distribute the amounts. Okay, that means total amount you are entering 10,000 on account. From there it will distribute 4,000 to cash account, 6,000 to let's say check account or something. Okay, so how to do it tomorrow I'll show it to you. So after doing this particular topic, we will work on the payment lot, how to create the payment lot and then post. Now initially you do payment lot posting without the clearing category. After that, we will configure the clearing category. Only difference is if you configure with the clearing category, then automatically it will clear the document. Otherwise, it will go for manual clearing. In fact, it is better we do first the clearing configuration, then you work with the payment lot. Because what happens in case of payment lot, we are entering n number of payments at a time. So when you enter the incoming payment, in the background, it will try to clear. So if the clearing category and strategy is maintained, it will happen clearing automatically in the background. Okay. So after finishing this, you start working on the open item management clearing. Okay, how to do it. So today you can conclude here. Tomorrow I'll continue. Is it
Yes.
okay?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sure.